Every spring after a long winter, there's a pile of stuff that looks worse than it actually is. But they don't need to be replaced, just refreshed. This is the stuff that I usually say, I'll get to it eventually. But when you got the right tool, it gets a whole lot simpler. 1 can, 5 ways to spray. On a nice flat surface like this, the vertical fan setting is perfect for the job. Wide surface, wide spray. It's simple. Fewer passes, even coverage, and I'm not chasing touch-ups later. Anytime I'm working around details, I dial it back. Low output gives me control without drowning the piece with paint. Less paint, better control, cleaner finish. This horizontal fan setting gets into long, narrow pieces without wasting paint. This keeps the edges clean and the coverage consistent. This is a bigger piece, so I want more paint moving. High output powers through curves and texture. More output means fewer passes and faster results. And when I just want solid, reliable coverage, this is it. It's versatile, predictable, and easy to work with. And just like that, all my backyard pieces are refreshed, redone in just one afternoon. Painter's Touch 2X 5-in-1 spray didn't just save my projects, it saved me time. 1 can, 5 ways to spray.